Hey guys, it's Jonathan with Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 2005 Dodge Viper SRT10. That's a V10, baby. Be sure to like and subscribe below so we can give you more content like this. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick walk around of this vehicle. This is a one-owner vehicle. It has been Cerakoted. Also, it's only had one paint incident in its whole life. It was the passenger side door. So Las Olas is a very famous boulevard down here in Fort Lauderdale. He was driving down the road and a person opened up the door and scratched it. So it wasn't an accident, it was just a scratch on the side. That's it. You cannot tell, by the way. So when you walk around this car, you're not gonna be able to notice that it's been painted. What I do like about this car is they have added this signature race stripe. I've never seen something like this and it looks so good. Front end looks great, I don't see any rock chips. I do see a minor scrape abrasion, which is down here and right here. But other than that, I mean, this thing is super solid. Low mileage, around 20,000 miles. Extremely clean, and the paint, it's black. So remember that. You know how hard it is to get, the sun is literally hitting it right now, and you see no swirls or scratches. Wheels have minor curb rash, but not too bad. You can see a little bit of marking here. Brakes are in extremely nice shape. Doors, literally just touch it, and it pops right open. How cool is that? This is a convertible, that's the SRT10 version, and then it does have an aftermarket exhaust and an intake, which I'll show you shortly. This put down 428 wheel horsepower and 403 foot-pounds of torque, and that's pretty impressive for just intake exhaust. Let me go ahead and open it up. So on a Viper 2005s, oh, even the older ones, you had a latch right here. So you're gonna reach down here, pull it, and then there's a release, and you're gonna lift up. There's your V10. See your K&N intake, very clean. The insulation is still original, showing its age, but it's not bad at all. Original radiator, very, very nice. Let's go ahead and go to the sides and the rear, and then we'll go for a ride. There's your Viper. You see the wheels? There you go. A little bit of curb rash, not bad at all. All your mirrors are in excellent shape. Top actually is never up, so this is stored inside of a garage. We put it up for the pictures, and you're gonna see that the folds, you can tell this thing has not been up for a long time. Paint is very nice, so you can touch this and it flows throughout. So rear end, look at how nice it is down here. You got your diffuser and then huge tires in the rear. That's probably around 24 inches of tire down there. We have a ZR1 that has aftermarket wheels and has 24 inches of tire. This is impressive, this is factory. That bumper just looks great. And then look at this sinister corner right here. Look at how perfect it looks when you get towards the light. Right there, look at that. Wow. I'm gonna open up the trunk for you. Nice and easy. You have to do this before you put the top up as well so that it folds out. I have the owner's manual. I have the title ready in hand with the original owner's signature on it. And it's also gonna be sold through Bullet Motorsports, and we're not flipping titles here. You've got your snake insignia. And then when you look at the interior, you're gonna see that it's been laid with red, is it like Alcantara or suede throughout. It's a little bit sun-baked from being a little bit older, but it looks great. Nice touch to the stripe. Then you see a Hurst shifter right there. That's your shifter ball, and it is a short throw, so it feels really good going through the gears. Let me go ahead and start it up for you, and I'll get in the rear so you can hear how nice it is, or on the sides. All right, we're gonna start it up. What's cool about a Viper is they make you use a key even though you have a button. So oh my gosh. Radio works as it should too. Kelly, can you give it some revs for us? Oh my gosh, amazing. Getting a thumbs up from the Mopars. That's perfect, let's go for a ride. Can you feel me? All right, so we're inside the Dodge Viper right now. I'm gonna push the clutch in, turn the key on, hit the button. No check engine lights. Your ABS is working as it should, so the light illuminates and turns off. It's at full temperature right now. We got around 45 to 50 pounds of oil pressure. Voltage is 14 and 24,000 miles. Half a tank of gas, and the radio works. Just like the perfect cruiser. So her shifter, first is forward, reverse is all the way up. We're gonna go ahead and put it in first, pull the clutch out. I'm not gonna give it any gas. I'm gonna show you how the clutch is. Obviously, this is a huge torque machine, but it pulls right out, no choppiness, super smooth. Oh man, I can't wait to rip it. We're gonna take it down Ravenswood, the typical ride, and then you can make your decision on if this is the right SRT10 for you. There's your illumination for upshift. You see the little arrow, Kelly? And then when you push the clutch in, it goes away. Vipers have super long gears, so the speedometer is 220 miles an hour. I think these were able to go around 175 miles an hour, maybe faster. Whoever knows that answer can give me a little information in the comments. Your AC works as it should, so you can turn it on and it does blow cold. I feel it getting cold right now. I'm gonna turn it off for the test drive. Also, I'm gonna put the window up so you can hear us much better. Is it okay if I put yours up? I won't go too fast, I promise. We're gonna go through the gears regularly right now. Oh my gosh, the sound. Clutch is really easy. Super smooth. We're going 55 miles an hour right now in third gear at 2,500 RPMs. So just think about that. There's six gears in this car. We're about to go over some bumps right now, and you're gonna see how it feels like going to fourth. It's a very mellow exhaust, so it's not headers back. I believe it's cat back. Put my hat backwards so I don't lose it. Suspension feels great. I've been in tons of these cars, and when they're beat up, when you go over bumps like that, it's rattling and feeling horrendous. No leaks from this car either, so we've had it on the lift. The engine looks great, and the steering is super responsive. All the bushings look good. Let's downshift it in a second. Brakes feel great too. I almost put Kelly into the into the airbag. Torque is unreal. We're racing an airplane right now. Take a look at that. Can't let him win. Wow, unbelievable. If you guys have any questions about this car, give us a call at 954-363-2261. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get to the end of this road, I'll open it up, and I'll be quiet. Brakes feel good. Downshifting in a second right now. This is an absolute terror. Give us a call if you have any questions, 954-363-2261. Let's get some outside shots, Kelly. Another productive day filming.